Ellen. Ellen.
Aaron!
Welcome back to my video. Today we're doing a learning color video. And we have a fidget spinner for it can help us to see what colors. We're gonna spin this fidget spinner to see what color it lands on.
And
And
then,
then we're gonna pick the card that's the same color and put it in the right spot. Hey friends, look on my side too.
okay. Okay, Aaron, show us what colors you have.
Okay, I have black, red, and blue.
And what are the other colors, Alan?
Purple, orange, yellow, and green. Let's get started, friends. I'm gonna go first. Yellow, blue. Purple. Purple. Which
Okay.
one you want? Purple. Found one. No. No. Purple.
Do you see a purple car, Aaron?
I don't know one. He doesn't have purple cards on each side, but I do. I got one and two. Ready, friends? It's Aaron's turn. We'll see what lands on. Blue! Where's my one? Blue! Two blue. A blue one. And blue. Blue. Oh, wait, they're different because that's dark blue and that's light blue.
It's okay. It's okay. It's still.
Blue. Good, right?
Mhm.
I have two blues and Alan have a blue, and wait, I got two blues too. Ready?
Yep. Good job.
So we got two colors. I got purple, Aaron got blue. My turn. Whoa. Land on red, okay? Had it in red. Oh wait. Mama, I got three red. I got black.
All right. Do y'all see any black cars?
Found one. Found one. I found one purple. I got black and purple, and then I got blue. Bum, bum, bum. Stop saying bum, bum, bum.
Hey.
What color did you get? You got another blue. My blue. Blue. Put it right here. Nope, right here. So guys, I got two blues. My turn. Aaron got the blue, and Aaron got two blue. Aaron got the blue. I got black, purple. Not purple. I won. I got black, purple, and I'm still got the blue. Okay, what guys?
We're ready.
One. Let's see what lands on. Oh, purple again. Mom. I got more purple. Yellow forward. Let's see. Yellow and yellow. I got yellow and also. 12 yellows and one orange. Okay.
Uh-oh, the yellow. Baby, if you can't put your hand on the board.
Aaron.
It's okay.
So I got black and purple and got orange, yellow, and blue. Aaron's beating me. My turn.
Okay, let's try to get a color we haven't got. Let's try to get some green.
I got green, guys. It's fun one. I won. Green with black. I won. Bam. We still haven't get the red.
Okay, let Aaron spin it. Aaron, try to get us some red.
Get some red. Get us some red. Now I got green. Red!
Whoa.
Orange. Purple. Red.
I don't think we have more purple. Okay. Last purple. All right, Aaron, your turn to spin.
I'm never going to get purple.
It's okay.
I want to get yellow.
Okay, we'll spin it. Let's see if you get yellow.
And you and me got yellow, but I need to get orange.
Y'all can share cars. You don't have to just have it on your side.
Guys, let's do it. Did I burp out the cars? It's yellow and orange! Yeah, let's do it.
Do you have yellow, Aaron?
Yeah! Yellow.
You have orange, Alan. Yeah, Ramon is orange and Frank is orange.
No, he's yellow.
Well, he's orange and yellow.
No, he's... Yeah, you're right, because when he turns orange, red, I see a little orange right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I got orange.
Okay, let's try to get green.
It's my... Is it my turn?
Mm-hmm.
It's my turn now.
It's okay, it'll be your turn next.
So I can see everything.
Okay.
And those you do it. If you got green. Yeah. Oh.
Careful. All right, do y'all have green? Go ahead and put all the green cars y'all have on the green.
Guy, you want to see the awesome part about this car?
What's the awesome part?
You pull it backward and...
I'm gonna put all the green cars.
I got green. Sorry, car, sorry. See, we got a lot of green.
Okay, let's try to go ahead and put all the red cars.
My side? Put all green. Mom, can we choose all the red?
Purple? There's no more purple. Let's spin again. Oh, actually, Alan, isn't that car purple? The car in front of the blue one? Yeah, that one. Okay, we'll put it with the purple.
Purple. Okay, ready, guys?
We're ready.
Let's see if it lands on the red, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right, B-E. That's not red.
Red.
That's orange.
Red. That's kind of red.
You can put it with the orange, guys.
Orange.
All right, what colors do we have left?
I win.
Aaron.
And another blue. Black.
Okay, so
And
let's spin it. Let's try to get some black.
My turn. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we can get some black. Black. Get all the black cars. I'm putting the video.
All right, Aaron. Try to get us some blue.
Okay. Even I farted in the video. You guys, it's my fun. Now the mom was so funny. Purple.
Oh no, spin again.
Oh, well, you're on the wrong side. Oh, we got blue. Get on the blue card. No. I'm gonna get the blue card. Get away.
Alan, really?
Get away.
Get off of him. All right, put the blue cars, boys.
I fought in the video. I got all the blue cards. I'm the winner. Black, red, purple, orange, yellow, green. Bye, friends. I hope you learned some colors today. If you want more videos with Aaron and Alan, hit the red button to subscribe. Bye, friends. See you next time.